So this is how they're sanitizing all the seats.
আপনাদের জন্য ভালো পরিষেবা করব। শের ই পাঞ্জাবে সবসময় ভালো পরিষেবা দিয়ে থাকি। আরো ভালো পরিষেবা দেওয়ার চেষ্টা করব।
वाह ग्रेट, थैंक यू सो मच।
यार कितना बड़ा नान खिलाओगे तुम मुझे?
फैमिली नान। अगर आपने न्यू आइटम नहीं ट्राई किया फिर कैसे पता चलेगा?
Look at the size of this. Right guys, so we are settled inside Sher E Punjab. This is the best seat in the house possible. We have a display over here, so you can enjoy the match and you can order to your heart's ease. I'm going to have a lot of kebabs today. It's kind of chilly over here, so we're very excited to try out. Also, I'm hearing that there is a season special सरसों दा साग दी मक्के दी रोटी, so we must definitely try that. कुछ recommend कीजिए starters में क्या होना चाहिए? हम लोग को पहले तंदूरी चिकन कैसा होगा यहाँ पे? ठीक है, लेट्स गो विद तंदूरी चिकन। एक प्लेट तंदूरी चिकन दीजिए। फिश में आई एम सीइंग तंदूर ऑप्शन है ना, फिश टिक्का कर लेते एक फुल। एक विल ऑर्डर ऑफ फिश टिक्का। एंड चाइनीज़ से कुछ ऑर्डर करेगा? चाइनीज़ स्टार्टर में कुछ होगा जैसे ड्रम्स ऑफ हेवन वगैरह कुछ? सॉल्ट एंड पेपर बोनलेस होगा, और ड्रम्स ऑफ हेवन या फिर कुछ बोन वाला कुछ होगा? पकौड़ा या फिर सब बोनलेस है? पहले आप तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दीस टू। आप ये दोनों से स्टार्ट करिए। ठीक है, थैंक यू।
Guys, I think this is much better than what we expected. What do you say? Huh?
Much better.
You know?
The ambience, the lights, it's pretty.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
The only issue today here is, as I was telling them off camera, today is the day when we are at a very busy place, and since it's an impromptu video, I was not carrying my microphone, so we don't have any microphones today, so there's going to be a lot of noise in the background. That's something you have to bear with. I know I've spoiled all of you a lot by giving you crystal clear sound as much as possible, but today is the day when you'll all have to, you can hear the plane in the background, you can see it too. So that's something you have to bear with. Let me know how today's experience was. It's going to be a little different from the normal vlogs which I do. So let me know. This is going to be a little raw. So if you're liking it, do let me know in the comment section as well. So we have the first two starters of the day. One is a chicken tandoori. So that's my piece. And then you have your fish tikka. I'm going to take one. The fish tikka looks very dry. Extremely dry. Slightly disappointed. The tandoori chicken looks really nice. So what I'll do is, first I'll take a bite of the tandoori chicken. As expected, it's very juicy, it's pretty soft, well marinated, no complaints whatsoever. Next up, I'll be trying the fish tikka. Not very fresh. I would have preferred it to be softer, and it should disintegrate the moment you're breaking it. So a little disappointed with that, but let's give it a taste. Like I mentioned, this doesn't seem very fresh. It's also a little overcooked. So we can give this one a miss.
Sinchan, first impressions?
It's actually good, as you said previously. The chicken is very juicy, but the fish is a little bit dry. But as I'm very much hungry, I'm liking it.
What about you, mister?
It's like we expected a little better thing from the fish. Disappointed. Chicken is very good. I love the chicken. As usual, tandoori chicken will be good here. So I loved it.
Mutton adrak ke panje. There's hardly ever a time when there is this particular thing on the menu and we are not trying it. So this is no different. Now when you see there are 3 pieces over here, normally you get 2 pieces. So we've asked them to increase one since it's 3 of us. Wow. This is extremely well done. The bones are coming off. It's so well cooked. Even the flavors too are amazing. This is a must try over here. এই আমরা স্টার্টারে আরেকটা যেটা করতে পারি এখানে চাইনিজে ওরা বললো চাইনিজের বোনওয়ালা কিছু নেই কিন্তু দের ইজ এই অপশনটা এখানে আছে দেখ ললিপপ চিকেন ললিপপ মোস্ট প্রবাবলি ইজ তোর চাইনিজই হবে রাইট और आधे कॉलिंग টাংড়ি মাল ললিপপ
Indian, I guess.
ইন্ডিয়ান ওটা একবার জিজ্ঞাসা করে নেবো ঠিক আছে আর মেইন কোর্সে তো ও ডুড দে হ্যাভ প্রন মালাই কারি হবে নাকি
আবার প্রন কেন
হবে না Right guys, so this is the season special sarson da saag with a lot of butter on top and this is the makki di roti. Let's kick in. This is the season special. There's no way you're going to come to Sher E Punjab and not have their very popular sarson da saag and some garam makki di roti. Now, since I am following a kind of a diet unofficially, I wouldn't be having full. So I'm going to share this. So are you guys ready? I'm excited to try this out. Whenever, I think it's always a wise idea to try out season special, be it fruits, be it vegetables, or be it dishes. So when you're at a Punjabi restaurant, and when you have the opportunity to sit on a winter evening with your friends, and there is this on the menu, I don't think it's wise to give this one a miss. It hits you once it gets inside. It's kind of spicy. The roti is pretty tough, so you have to put in a lot of effort to cut this down. But it's a pretty good dish to order on a winter evening. Definitely, you should give this one a try. Honestly, whenever I'm hearing this kind of sound from the background, I'm thinking of sizzlers. Suddenly I'm thinking ki sizzlers order kotte hobe and then I turn and I see that's what's going on. It's actually the sound which is coming from the sanitization which they have over here. Pretty similar. They look like Ghostbusters when they're doing it. This is one naan or two naans?
One naan. इसको ये है आपका 3 नान के बराबर.
This is one.
जो 3 नान आप खाएंगे वो ये
This is a gigantic piece of, it's called a family naan. I think this should be called a Zila Parishad naan. Because there is no way he suggested that it's going to be for 3 people. I think I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think 8 people are going to be having this. Because I am not even going to be able to finish off one of this. So anyway, since this is already here, I think when he learned what we do as profession, he must have thought that we're going to be eating this, but he doesn't have any idea about my appetite for sure. Anyway, so we've ordered this along with a butter chicken. Now you have an option of a bone or a boneless butter chicken. Now whenever you have an option, there's no way I'm going to go for boneless because what is chicken item, especially Punjabi style, without bones, right? The naan is brilliant. It tastes really nice. The chicken too is really good. It's soft. It's got a lot of flesh in it. I'm slightly disappointed with the gravy. I think it's a little overcooked. Had it been slightly less cooked, and it would have retained some amount of tanginess and some amount of the butteriness. I would have preferred it to be a little more buttery, to be very honest. But this naan, I don't think you'll need chicken to have this with. This in itself, just with the gravy, dip it with the gravy and put it in your mouth. This tastes beautiful. The final item of the day, ending on a very sweet and a hot note, which does perfectly on a cold winter evening. So this is a very gooey mud pie which is over here. Then there are ice creams. You'll have vanilla as well as chocolate flavors. There's a Kit Kat over here. There are wafers over here. I can feel the crunch of a lot of choco chips on top, as well as a lot of chocolate syrup drizzled on top. So this is a very chocolatey affair. You can feel me having this gulp even while I'm talking. Oh, and I missed it. This has Oreo biscuits too. So you think of a chocolate and it is here. That's how sinful this entire dish is. We have Ushanjit over here, who is part of the management. Ushanjit, पहले मेरे को बताओ, pandemic कैसा था तुम्हारे लिए? What were the struggles initially which you had?
Struggle was there because there were not a lot of customers.
Okay.
But the online order for the Zomato, and we are very much thankful to Zomato and Swiggy. During that time, the customer ordering food and many customers are coming and having a parcel order. Basically.
Okay, great. What is special? Winter में सबको शेर ए पंजाब outdoor seating. Definitely you've seen the ambience, बहुत बढ़िया है. So special क्या है winter में हमारे लिए?
Special में सर आपका मकई की रोटी सर्कुलर सीजनल that everyone loves it out. And आपका गाजर का हलवा.
अरे यार वो मैं try नहीं किया this time around. I'm definitely
गाजर
going to
का
come back
हलवा
for
is on the making of process. Okay. And what new item has been mainly to making it is like baked rasgulla,
baked rasgulla.
Baked rasgulla and your mutton adrak ki panji.
Adrak ki panji was amazing. I've shown you the video. You should definitely get that one. What is so special about you? Why is it कि लोगों को जब भी शेर ए पंजाब को सुनते हैं एयरपोर्ट, मुझे बचपन का स्टोरीज याद है कि जब भी हम लोग शेर ए पंजाब सुनते हैं लोग एयरपोर्ट वाले में जाना प्रेफर करते हैं. So what do people like about this place?
People love about ambience.
Okay,
Let
of
us
course.
customer satisfaction.
I would want to say customer satisfaction. The moment we entered, we do not expect such service from a dhaba. So I was really surprised. Not that they knew who we were, but the service was really good. He specially appointed someone to take care of us, and I'm sure that is the case with everyone else as well, right? Thank you so much. So that was Ushan with us. You've checked out the place already. I've given you a review of the food as well. If you're looking for a place to chill during winter, this is like no other. You should definitely visit. Thank you so much.
So that was our experience at the Sher E Punjab Dhaba airport. If you liked the video, do share with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Until next time, this is FoodZpah wrapping up from Sher E Punjab. Cheers. Bolo Sinchan.
I am not a fan of this item actually, but yeah, had it for the first time, liked it a bit.
Liar. এক্ষুনি ক্যামেরা পেছনে কি বলছিলিস?
কিছু না।
কেন সত্যি বলা যায় না কেন ক্যামেরা?
থাক, এটুকুই থাক।
তুমি?
Sher E Punjab and this one, deadly combination. I think you should definitely try this. This is one of the best things I've ever had this winter.
Sure, try some more then.
Yeah, please. পুরোটা দেবে না।
কেন খাও?
সিনেম্যাটিক গিয়ে বললাম আরে ভালো খাও আরে তুমি ওটা খাও তোমার খাওয়া উচিত এগুলো
You like it, so you got it. You want it, you have it, you got it.
কোথায় খাবো না
আমি দেবো একটু।
তুমি আজকে সার্ভিস করছো আমাদের। এভরিথিং ইজ গোনা বি অন টাইম। কত সময় লাগবে খাবার আসতে?
স্যার 10 থেকে 15 মিনিটের মধ্যে টেবিলে খাবার আসবে।
আরে আর যাগুলো বললে বলো, ক্যামেরার সামনে চুপে গেলে কেন?
স্যার আপনাদের জন্য ভালো পরিষেবা করব।
কথা বল, ওখান থেকে কথা বল।
Hi, what's up? I'm good. Taste looks beautiful. The food was great. I loved the food, especially the buttered chicken, the rice.
He has no idea I'm going to put this as a blooper.
Such a beautiful place, beautiful ambience. I loved it very much. Thank you for taking the video. Sinchan is sitting there. What else do I speak? I'm very happy. I'll go home and get a very good sleep. If this is going well, we can pause here. The lights are very good. Sinchan is sitting there. Good to try out the dessert. What else do I say? I'm kind of confused. I don't know.